Okay, so today we're going to try and make one of these little mini crochet sunflowers. To do that, you're going to need 2 different colour yarns, 3mm crochet hook, needle, pair of scissors. Okay, so let's move those out of the way. We'll start with our brown. We're going to start by making a slip knot. Okay, then you pop your hook into the loop, pull it tight, and we're ready to go. So we're going to start by chaining 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pop your hook into that very first chain stitch that you made, and you're left with this sort of little donut shape on your hook. We're then going to catch the yarn and pull it through both loops on your hook, and it makes this kind of little donut shape. So now what we're going to do, chain 1, and we're going to crochet into that donut, so into the big hole in the middle of your chains that you made. We're going to do that 6 times. Okay, so in, catch the yarn, pull it through the donut. You'll have 2 loops on your hook, catch the yarn, pull it through both loops. So that's 1 stitch. Same again, hook into the donut, catch the yarn, pull it through, catch the yarn, pull it through both loops. Okay, and we're going to do that 4 more times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, pull on the tail, pull your donut nice and tight so there's not a big hole in the middle. And we're going to crochet, ignore your first chain, we're going to crochet into that first single crochet stitch that you made. Okay, so into the stitch, catch the yarn, pull it through, catch the yarn, pull it through both loops, and we're going to do the same again into that same stitch. And we're going to do that the whole way around, so we're going to do 12 of these in total. We've just done 2, so we've got 10 left. So 3, 4, just keep doing 2 in each stitch. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, again pull that tail, making the donut nice and tight. So we're going to carry on going round, and for this next round we're going to do 1 single crochet in 1 stitch, 2 in the next, then 1 again, then 2, then 1, then 2, then 1, then 2, and we're going to have a total of 18 stitches. Okay, so 1, and then 2 in the next one, 2, 3, 1 in the next one, 4, 2 in the next one, 5, 6, and we're going to repeat that the whole way round. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, and we're just going to slip stitch into the next stitch. So put your hook in, pull the yarn through, and then take that first loop and bring it through the second on your hook. Okay, we've got this tail. So now we can cut that and you're left with this little sort of hanging bit. Okay, on to the next colour. So we're going to start our petals now. Ooh. Slip knot again. We're going to take our hook, and into that next stitch from where you finished off last time, we're just going to pop it through, pop the yellow on our hook, pull it through the hole, okay, and then we're just going to chain 2, 1, 2, okay. So each of these little petals is a double crochet, triple crochet, double crochet into the same stitch. Okay, well then we're going to do a slip stitch and repeat. So I'll show you how to do that. So this 2 chains that you've done are going to act as our first double crochet. You're then going to yarn over once, yarn over twice, pop the hook back into that same hole, catch the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook, same again, pull through the second 2 loops on your hook, and then one last time pull through the final 2 loops on your hook. We're then going to do our double into that same stitch, yarn over, same hole, catch the yarn and pull it through, and then we're going to catch the yarn, pull it through the first 2, catch the yarn, pull it through the second 2. Okay, and that's our first little petal. So into this next stitch we're just going to do a slip stitch. So to do that, pop your hook in, catch the yarn, pull it through, and then bring that first loop through the second on your hook. Okay, we're going to do that again. Double crochet, so yarn over, pop your hook into the next stitch, catch the yarn, pull it through, and you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the second 2, and then we're going to move on to our triple. So we're going to yarn over twice, pop our hook into the hole, catch the yarn, pull it through, and you have 4 loops on your hook. So you're going to catch the yarn, bring it through the first 2, catch the yarn, bring it through the second 2, then once again catch the yarn, bring it through the final 2. Then we do our double, so we yarn over, into the same hole again, catch the yarn, pull it through, catch the yarn, pull it through the first 2, catch the yarn, pull it through the second 2, and then because we've just done our petal, into the next stitch we're going to do our slip stitch. So put the hook in, catch the yarn, pull it through, and then pull in that first loop through the second. Okay, and we're basically just going to repeat that the whole way round until you've got the full set of petals. Okay. Okay, so we've done all our petals. Once you get to the end, you're going to just simply slip stitch back into that very first stitch that you made and you worked into. You can then make a loop. Take our scissors, cut tail, and then we can just bring our tail through the loop, pull it taut, and there we have our sunflower. So now all we need to do, tie in our ends, snip them off, and we'll have one of these.